Whose dogs do they think we are?
What's up, pack ripping animals? This is the last 2 boxes I have of Riftbound. I'm gonna open them both. Gonna speed through it. Hopefully enjoy. Still chasing a signature card. This is the last 2 out of the 6-box case. So wish me luck. Here we go. Oh, and they were 300 each, just like the last box. So let's hopefully at least break even if we don't hit anything good. So this box was much more generous than the last video with Riftbound. Fallen Star Jinx, Thousand Tailed Invert Timelines, the Alt Art Order Rune, Alt Art Jinx Demolitionist, Stormbringer, Zenith Blade, Calm Room, Siphon Power, and Scylla Focus. I still don't think we made it. Okay. Last pack magic. Come on. Give me something. That's my last pack. The last stand. Well, can't win them all. Hey. 2 out of 3 boxes were stinkers, so it's all good. Let's see what we got. So on the left box, and the last box, we got that. Hourglass, Seal of Rage, Fury Rune, White Flame Protector, Dragon Rage, Leona Zealot Alt, Misfortune Buccaneer Alt, Super Mega Death Rocket, kind of love that name, and Seal of Strength. And the other box, second to last box, Falling Star, Jinx Rebel, Thousand-Tailed Watcher, Invert Timelines, Order Rune, Jinx Demolitionist Alt, Stormbringer, Zenith Blade, Calm Rune, Siphon, and Seal of Focus. So yeah, that's it. Out of one case, the 3 you saw, that is what I pulled. I would have to say better than the last Riftbound video I did, but still not exactly what I wanted. But it's okay.